Good morning, everybody. Acre of Love Homestead here. I am cold this morning, let's put it that way. Last night we got down into the teens, and I wanted to bring y'all out just to see the broccoli plants, and I want to see if y'all can hear them. They are so frozen. It's crazy how frozen they are. All right, so let's see. And they make a, like they're crispy frozen. Like they're kind of unthawing a little bit now, but when I came out about 20 minutes ago, man, they were so frozen. I don't know if y'all can see and hear that. Let me see. Let me get y'all. But that's not a regular leaf. I didn't bother covering them, guys. I got starts going in the house and stuff like that, so I'm not really worried about it. But look at my cabbage also. It feels like leather. Frozen. So hopefully they have like little heads on them. I'm hoping that's not going to ruin my little heads. I did try to cover like the roots and stuff with the mulch and stuff. I probably should have just covered it all. Like I say, these have been growing for a while, so I'm not really worried about it if they don't make it. This one too. And I picked my broccoli heads off of this one and that other one, but they're frozen. They're frozen, y'all. I've never seen them like this. And there's no like water on them because it didn't rain. My little cauliflower head down there. Same thing. They feel like leather. And I'm pretty sure that my broccoli did not make it. Not my broccoli, my cilantro. So I covered it last night. But he's like, man, what happened? It's like, Texas, you need to make up your mind. And then these over here, they're the same way. Except these look really cool. Snapshot a picture of that. They look really neat. But yeah, they're frozen. So I'm waiting. Hopefully the sun's going to come up and unthaw everything. We can come back out and look at it again. Well, it's daylight now. And they look awful. They really did freeze. I wonder if they'll perk back up. I hope they do. They're not leathery no more. See, they're moving around now. Earlier they were stiff as a board. Hopefully it didn't mess them up any. Let's check this one. This one's the same way. Kind of wilty looking. I don't know, hopefully, because it's going to freeze again tonight too. We're supposed to get down to 27 tonight. That's what they look like, y'all. I wonder if they'll make it through one more. Not quite sure. Guess we'll find out. Like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.